good, guys? Welcome back to another vlog. As you can tell by the title, today I'll be showing you how I do eyebrow waxing. Down here we've got Grace. Grace is one of my colleagues. Say hello, Grace.
Hi.
So I'll just start off with taking off any excess oil or any makeup that she may have on her eyebrows. Grace, do you have any makeup on your eyebrows?
I might have a little bit of foundation.
No problem. Oh yeah, sorry guys, I've actually forgot to say that she'll be having an eyebrow wax and an eyebrow tint as well. She don't like it too dark, so we're just gonna literally put it on and take it straight back off. So what I'll do is I'll do one eyebrow first, and then I'll show Grace and see if she likes it, and then we'll move on to the next one. Now we're gonna start underneath. Trim so I can see the shape better. Well done. Okay, just a little bit more left, and then I'll show you with a mirror, and then you can tell me what you think.
Are you alright up there?
I am.
So when you're back home, do you not really do many eyebrow waxes?
No, I don't do that. I do men's.
Don't you?
Yeah. I do.
You do men's what? She does like ball
Really?
waxing, yeah.
How does it go?
It goes really good. I've got if they're trying to think.
How do they handle the pain?
Some of them scream because you know what? Because they've been traumatized and tortured. When they come to me, they just like literally.
What do you mean they've been tortured?
Because they've been places where therapists can't obviously do it, and they've basically battered them, and then they've like, you know, thought, do you know what, I'll try one last time. I've seen this girl advertisement, so let me just come and see what she's about. And then they come and then they think, oh my god, it's not actually that bad, and then they just become a customer. How does the shape look from up there?
Beautiful.
Right, so I'm gonna give I'm gonna give Grace a mirror just to have a
At the
look.
moment I was scared. I was like, oh my gosh, she's gonna left without eyebrow.
No. I hate it when. Let me give you a smaller mirror. Is that any better? At least she's holding Bobby Brown. You know what I mean?
Oh my god.
You happy? Okay, great. So
Are you
just go like
advertising
this.
Bobby Brown?
Yeah. So Grace is happy with her results. Now we're going to move on to the next eyebrow. Okay, Grace. So if you just like that. Are you sure you're happy, yeah, Grace?
Yeah, definitely.
Okay.
I just love the smell of that one.
Yeah.
How does it smell?
Chocolate. But it's actually this as well that she's smelling.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Okay.
Okay, we're going to move on to the other. Now, just bear in mind that every eyebrow is different from the other, but I'm going to try and obviously match it as much as I can. So, let's start off, doing this bit,
I have really different ones, don't I? Like
Yeah.
you always.
Yeah.
I don't like too perfect eyebrows.
You don't like what?
Too perfect eyebrows.
Too big eyebrows.
You're too
Too
perfect.
perfect.
Oh, so
She is a
why?
perfectionist. They have to be.
No, like, you know, on the girls I
I'm
see,
like you. I just prefer. I'm not really bothered, but
Yeah, I like them natural.
No.
I mean, they have to be like done, but natural.
Well done. No, I think eyebrows changes somebody's look. So, to me, it has to be immaculate.
What would you do with my eyebrows?
They need a tidy. I'm not even gonna lie.
Angela's the queen of honesty.
No, it's fine. I don't mind. I can take it. What would you do?
I will tidy them up.
Like how?
I'll remove the excess that's making it look untidy. So therefore, they will just pop on your face.
Where? Like upstairs or downstairs?
Downstairs, especially, and upstairs. You don't touch anything,
No.
so it's quite natural. Even with Grace's one, all I'm really doing is just literally tidying up like the messiness.
But
all
I
I'm
like
doing.
hair. Well, like, what if you like hair, natural hair, and you would like to have like
They always-
tidy, but
Yeah.
not too
But
tidy.
you know, like I put coconut oil on my eyebrows. You can always make them grow. They're always growing.
Really?
Yeah, of course.
They're growing
E-
like.
Even your eyelashes. I put them on my eyelashes, on my eyebrows.
I heard it's a good lube as well.
Is it?
Yeah, my sister's South African. She told me that. I'm like,
Your
"No."
sister's
I
South
thought
African?
you're not meant to use it. But
Bruv, it's gonna grow his ball hair or whatever it is.
I don't know if this eyebrow's more sensitive, but that hurt a bit more than the other side.
Yeah, but this time, Grace, you proper grew it nice though. You grew it nice.
Yeah, because I've not done anything. I don't do my own eyebrows because I can't.
Yeah, I know. It's best when people can't do it because they get plucking happy.
Yeah,
And they
no.
start plucking here, there and everywhere. I prefer for the customer to go and get their eyebrows threaded because you get more a defined shape. But if you really like waxing, then you need to go to a therapist that knows their shit. Do you understand? Like,
Yeah.
they need to know their stuff. Otherwise, they'll just mess up. You'll just mess it up.
So you need to go continuously to one.
Yeah, well,
What if
one,
you change
one,
places? You don't live
well,
in
then
one place.
that's when your eyebrows is f***ed up, right?
Yup.
Mistakes can happen. Even I can make a mistake, but I know like where to.
Did you hear that, Grace?
I did hear that.
No, but it doesn't really happen too
I
often.
trust Angela.
Angie. Yeah, I think it looks nice.
See? So why don't you do yours then?
Hmm?
Why don't you do yours?
Where?
What do you mean, where? Your eyebrows?
How do you mean I'm gonna do?
Why do you
Oh, I
wax
like
them?
her natural eyebrows.
Oh. Do you want to do them?
I don't mind fixing them up.
Okay. I'm not gonna complain about that.
Okay. pain.
I don't know about the pain though.
There is no pain.
It's not painful.
Grace, please don't move. Don't talk. Don't make her talk, please, because it's good out. See what you did now?
What did I do?
You spoke.
Did you forget it? Have I still got 2 eyebrows? Then we're alright.
Wait. It's just that it just came off guard a little bit. Hold on, I'll fix it. Wait. Let me see. Okay.
Can you have allergy on tint?
Pardon?
Can you have allergy on tint?
Can I have what?
Can you get like a reaction, an allergic reaction to the tint?
You can, but I've used this one on Grace before, so I know she won't.
Okay.
And usually you're supposed to have a patch test as well. But the girls don't care, they just like do it.
Wow.
How did your treatment go today?
It went good, you know.
What was it?
It was a Brazilian wax.
Oh,
No,
okay.
Brazilian and underarm. But I'm not even gonna lie, it was really good, you know.
I wouldn't get me under
The shape of the Brazilian was really nice.
I feel like it's pointless getting a Brazilian.
Why?
Because you may as well just get a Hollywood.
Exactly. I can't tell you that. There's one hair there, but Grace, your gap. Are you sure you didn't pluck hair? Because
You know
why is
I
there?
don't. It does this every time. She hasn't got me every time. It's not. It's just natural. It's like a gap in my eyebrow. I don't know why.
Okay, Grace, so I'm gonna give you the mirror, yeah?
Mhm.
And I need you to just look. But before that, let me just cut this bit. It's a bit long.
Okay.
Right, where's the? Take the Bobby Brown. Have a look.
Yeah, they're perfect.
Look, comb them if you have to, but just let me know anything that's wrong, or you want me to take off, or you want me to do something. You need to let me know now before I put the tint on.
They're perfect.
Can you see the gap I was talking about there?
Yeah, but
Can you
there's
see?
nothing you can do about
Exactly. And then there's this one little piece
that.
here.
Yeah, but then if you take that off, it's gonna look weird.
Yeah, I know. So what do you want to do? What do you want to do?
I would probably just leave it.
Yeah.
Yeah, and if you want, I can try pencil it in. A
Yeah,
little bit.
that's it. You can just pencil it in, and that could be your guideline. Yeah.
I don't know how to pencil in my eyebrows.
You don't like penciling in?
I don't have anything that pencils in it. I don't do my eyebrows.
Okay, guys. So I've mixed the colour. Grace is going to have brown, so we're going to use brown, and I've mixed this colour with the developer, and now we're just going to put it straight onto her brows. She don't want it too dark, so I'm literally going to apply, take off, and if it's not enough, then I'll just add some more. All right, let's go. You ready, Grace?
Yep.
Okay. So because I applied this side first, I'm going to take off this side. Oh shit, one's darker than the other. Just checking. Just gonna put some soothing cream. This just helps to calm the skin, reduce the redness.
It's so fast, the eyebrow tint.
Huh? Yeah, yeah. You don't mess about. These are the good stuff, innit? Guess shit. Okay, Grace, just don't touch them. You can have a look in the mirror. Is that? And here you go. Have a look in the mirror.
Oh yeah, they're perfect. I wouldn't want them any darker than that.
Yeah?
They're perfect, yeah.
Yeah,
Okay.
I agree.
Yeah, thank you.
So there you have it, guys. She's very happy with them. Thank you so much for watching. Make sure you like, comment and subscribe, and check out my other videos. Until then, guys, take care, and I'll see you on my next vlog. Ciao.